Shri Akal friends. Welcome to Little Chef's Creation. Today I am going to show you a new variety of a paneer sabzi. It is triple MP Matar Methi Malai Paneer. It is very tasty and very easy to make. So let's start making it. I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 10 to 15 cashews, 3 to 4 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as required, 1 medium sized onion chopped, 1 cup of green peas, 1.5 cup of washed and chopped methi, 1 cup of yogurt and some pieces of homemade paneer. First, I have taken a grinder jar. I will add the green chilies, cashews, onions, and the yogurt. And then we have to make a paste of it. Matar Malai Paneer is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Your valuable comments are very important for us. Thank you.